right, so we just got this. This is a VonWater under the sink water filtration system. You get apparently pure clean water. So let's unbox it and see what we got. All right, it does come with some hoses, it looks like. And here's your filter. Check it out. Excuse me. VonWater under the sink water filtration system, WK22. Apparently it gets it's lead free. Scale inhibitor, okay. Fresh water, cool taste. Fits a 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch pipe, 2.1 gallons per minute is flow rate. And you do just a direct connection with it. And this is the top. This is your outlet. This would go to your sink or, your faucet. And this comes from the water supply. So that's how you do it. And apparently, I think let me see if I can twist it or how this works. There's got to be a way that it pops off. Because you got to put new ones on there. All right, let's flip it over and see what we got here. Right here it says, removal contents, reduce lead, blah, blah, blah. All right, so when you set it in there, you want to put your initial date and then the next due date. That's when you want to get it out of there. It's got some standards. Do not reduce TDS. Does not reduce TDS. I'm not sure what that is. It tells you the temperatures, pressure, and all that. Municipal tap water, that's what you're going to be putting in there. And here's a QR code. If you want to contact the company, there you go. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. Now the question is, how do I change this? So this is the lock here. And it's got, there must be some way that you twist it with some type of tool here, I would imagine. Anyway, let's set that down. See what else we got. All right, so we've got extra things in here. It's got a little booklet, which I think we probably want to read, right? We set that there for a second. So this is a direct connect under the sink water filtration system. And I think it's going to show us how to do everything in here. Yeah. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Pretty simple, right? So, yeah, so it basically shows you your schematic of what you've got to do. Now, here's what it's going to show us, how to get it on and off. So apparently you got to push it up. Got to push it up and then twist it counterclockwise, which makes sense, right? And then you can put a new one in. So we'll probably have to read through all of this and make sure we know what we're doing. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so it does come with, oh look, you got plumber's tape. Comes with this adjusting, if you need to adjust the size. And it has the anchors and screws to put it on the wall. Okay, and you also get these. Check those out. So you got 2 hoses. I'll show you. All right, so here you are. And those are your fittings. So this is the smaller one that's probably going to be going into your water supply, and then this will go onto these. You follows me? And they give you 2 of them, so you're going to need 2, right? You're definitely going to need 2. And if you need to change the fitting, here's the fitting that you can change it to. You see? So that's good. And that's basically it. Now we just got to figure out how to put it underneath the sink. For now, we'll stick her back in here until we decide to put her, I think we're going to put it under the sink up here. And we want to hang on to that because we're going to need it. All right. And then when we're ready to install it, we'll make another video on it. How's that grab you? Doesn't want to go in there, does it? Bam, done.